be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now let's go ahead and bring this in because I'm already late on this one. I know that was the message in the last sneaker video, but that's the theme with sneakers for me lately. I'm behind a little bit. I ain't been making the sneaker videos, bringing you the sneaker content that you all are looking for. If that's why you are subscribed to me, then I apologize. But if you're here for everything, then it's cool, right? It's cool. All right. So let's go ahead and bring these in. You see this box? Oh, it's upside down. You see this box? You know what that means? It means that Big Roth is a proud, albeit late, proud member of the Lebron gang. Alright? Okay, so these are the Lebron 20, and it says UN, and that is for Uninterrupted. Alright? And the colorway is black coconut milk hyper royal. Alright? And I got these in that ever so wonderful, the magical unicorn size. 13 and a half. Alright, my true size. Alright, you see the 20 there, 2 X's, and the Lebron logo in the middle of the box. Once again, for those who have not seen a pair of these, it says strive for greatness. Cleveland, Miami, Los Angeles. Cleveland 2003 to 2010, Miami 2010, 2014. Return to Cleveland 2014, 2018. Los Angeles from 2018 to now. Nike patent 2022, and the lion at the top there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these. Same pink liner that's on the inside there, and then you see the 2 X's symbolizing the 20. Alright, I don't know if anybody else has seen, but just a couple of days ago they showed Lebron finally revealing the Lebron 21, and I can't wait. I think they look smooth. I'll try to get a picture of them and post them right here, but man, I think they look legit. The Lebron sneaker is always my most anticipated shoe of the year. It's always one that I gotta get at least one pair. Most times I get 2, but in this case, the Lebron 20, this is number 3. But I love the Lebron line. All right. So anyway, of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Sorry I'm late, but oh, whew, yes sir, had to have these. Left shoe first, baby. Yes sir. I like how the inside is clean there. It looks like there's no swoosh, but there is a swoosh. It is a swoosh there. It just blends in. The Nike Lebron 20 Uninterrupted. Now I did have, the last time I had a pair of the Uninterrupted Lebrons, I want to say it was the 17s, where there was the all blue upper and then the bottoms were all white. I sold that shoe. I just was never going to wear it because that bottom white, as nice as the shoe looked, I knew I was never going to wear it because the bottom all white portion was going to irritate me. So I got rid of those, but got these now. And as you can see, the bottoms of these are not all white. I didn't even, what is that? Truth. Truth on the bottom here. And then the Dunk Man. Is it upside down? Nope, there we go. Dunk Man logo. LeBron logo on the carbon fiber in the center there. And I like that it has the yellowing. Kind of looks like the shoes aged a little bit. But if you look around the front here of the midsole, it says Uninterrupted. All the way around there. Not on the back here, but here on the front. Uninterrupted all the way around there. And then on the front, nothing. But all throughout the bottom, behind the truth, is uninterrupted everywhere. It's all little uninterrupteds. And then on the back here, on that circle, the uninterrupted. And then the double swoosh, blue swoosh, clear swoosh with the 20, the double X's there. Alright. And then here, it says speak your truth. I'm assuming the right boy has another one on there, so we'll pull that one out here in just a second. But another 20 there. Black laces, if you want to switch those out. I don't think I will. I mean, it's already predominantly black. I don't know. Maybe that might look all right. But I don't know right now. On the inside here, we got, it says, if you have a story to tell, scream it from the rooftops. If you got jokes, stand up. If you see a problem, don't hesitate, say that. Even if you're the quiet type, there's always an outlet. Embrace your voice, no matter your tone. Speak you. Speak with pride. Speak with power, and always speak your truth. That's what it says all the way on. That's all that on the insole there. Alright, I think that's pretty nice. And it's a blue insole with those words on it. Alright. On the back of the tongue, LeBron 20 Pink Diamond Collection, established 2003. You know, good year 2003 was. Good year. I'm the same age as LeBron. We are both class of 2003. All right, 38 years old. LeBron is like 5 months older than me. All right, but that's pretty smooth. On the inside of the shoe, like I showed you before, black swoosh that blends in, and then right above the swoosh, there's an uninterrupted that goes around in the circle with a voice, a head with the, like somebody is speaking their truth coming out of the mouth there. But around the lace area is a white kind of cream color. All right, and it's the only area that really has like a leather is right there. I think that's a good look. I think I mentioned this before, the 20s are probably the best LeBrons that have released in a while. Like, I like that the tongue's not flimsy and everything. There's a legit tongue on the shoe, a nice thick comfortable one. Around the collar here is nice and comfortable. It's a lot of cushion there. This is a great shoe. Even I feel like you could wear these off court. These are not specifically just take these to the gym and wear for basketball purposes. I think these are one of the first LeBrons in a while that you could probably get away with wearing off the court. All right, now let's go ahead and get into the right boy. See what we got here. Oh, there's a card, by the way, that shows the breakdown of the shoe, how the shoe is constructed with the 20 on the back. Let's see if there's any differences on the right boy. Right shoe second. All right, and so the the most noticeable difference is probably going to be here. All right, so that says speak. So speak your truth. All right, so on the back here, like I mentioned, on the back of the collar there says speak your, and on the back here, truth. So they kind of switched it up. And then on the inside of the right, it has the Uninterrupted logo there at the bottom. Maybe I'm holding that upside down. Boom. Uninterrupted logo at the bottom. And it says speak uninterrupted above that there. Alright. And again, it does still have the Uninterrupted behind all the speaks. Alright. Very nice touch. Everything else is similar to the left shoe. But I think these are very nice, and I'm glad that I was able to cop in the unicorn size. I also got these for under retail. I can't remember what kind of sale it was. A summer, or it wasn't the back to school sale, because that's what's going on right now. It was one of those early summer sales. I actually got my kids school shoes. It was a while ago, because I was able to get my daughter a pair of Dunks, the Pandas. It was one of those random restocks when they did a Panda restock, and I was like, oh cool, let me hurry up and get it, because my daughter wanted some Pandas for going back to school. So I got her those. I got my other daughter, I can't remember, I got her some Jordans or something, Air Forces, something she wanted. And then yeah, I think I got her some Jordan Lows. No, I got her some Dunks too. She just didn't get the Panda. She got some blue ones. There were some blue Panda, blue Dunk Lows. And then I saw these sitting for the unicorn size, and I got them for the discount for whatever that summer thing. I didn't get the Pandas for the discount, but I got these on that discount. So I was like, win. But let's go ahead and take these boys on feet. All right, here we are on feet with the LeBron 20 Uninterrupted. All right, I think these are pretty smooth. All right, pretty legit. All right, here's the front look. All right, now for sizing reference, I got what I believe is to be my true size. And you can see big toe right here. I have a very little tiny bit of room, but it's perfect. Not too snug here. Pinky toe feels comfortable. No tightness. Everything is legit here. This is great. I like when I do this. Minimum creasage. I don't feel like my heel is sliding out the back when I do that either. Comfortable. So if I was actually about to go and hoop on them, I feel like I'm locked in. So to me, I would tell you all, get your true size. Get your true size in these bad boys. Alright? Well, let's get some of that coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Yo, definitely a dope shoe. I feel like this is one of the better LeBron 20s to have released. Did I mention the tongue has the signature, has LeBron's signature, and the two X's for the 20s? If I didn't mention that, that's what's on there. But I feel like this is one of the better LeBron 20s to release. Alright, I like these a lot. I feel like these are very wearable, And I feel like the LeBron 20 as a whole is just one of the best LeBrons that there are. All right. And also, speaking of that, I know I'm behind on the Jordan versus LeBron sneaker battle. I know the last one I did was for the 18. All right. But right after this video, I'm going to do the video for the 19. And then at a later date, I'll do the one for the 20 before the 21 is released. All right. It's a very clear-cut winner. I'm not gonna lie to you. This 19 and 20 ain't gonna be a close battle in the Jordan versus LeBron sneaker battle. All right. I think right now the series is tied 9-9. If I'm not mistaken, I'll have to go back and look, but it's not close. It's somebody's going up to 11-9 very easily. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.